cotton candy clouds. You're safe now. Imagine lying in the green, green grass. Feel your toes sinking at last. Imagine your mother's warm, warm hug as she whispers you're loved. Imagine holding your daddy's hand, building castles in the sand. You can be whatever